Size of lag bolts for pergola and advice on joining beams to posts. I am planning to build a pergola, and I have a 6x6 post, and on each side I plan to notch in the 6x6x1, then use two 2x10s crossbeams. I am trying to determine which screws I should purchase. My pergola is about 8x20 and has 6 posts, 2 10-long sections. So in effect, I have a 6x6 reduced to a 6x4 at the joint, sandwiched between two 2x10s for a total thickness of 8. Pergola is fairly long, which is why I go with the 2x10s rather than smaller crossbeams. My questions are: will notching provide less strength than the strong ties? I could go with strong ties, I just don't like the look that much. If I were using 8x8s, I would notch 2 and fully recess the crossbeam, but with 6x6s that would only leave me 2 of post, so I think 1 notching on either side is best I can do. I imagine I should go with 6 screws? Also, 3/8, 1/2, or 5/8 diameter. Obviously the thicker the better, I imagine, but the thicker the more I have to off-center them so they don't collide when drilled from the opposite side. I am okay with hex bolts all the way through, if that is better. I am thinking hex 129 bolts might work, if I can find some. I found 10, but they were only threaded for 1.5 from the tip, so that would not work, and also, that would be a lot of bolt cutting, about 24 of them. I am in a possible wind zone Gulf Coast but inland. 60 miles per hour gusts are possible. No solid roof, just slats of 1x2s. Question from user: will I am at Stack Exchange? Answer: definitely use through bolts, both for strength and to provide a stress-free clamping force. Large screws could end up splitting the tops of the post over time, allowing water to penetrate an already vulnerable area, i.e., the end grain. If you can't find the right length bolts, it is possible to use threaded bar with washers and nuts at each end. Personally, I think you could notch out more than 1 inch. The resulting tenon, for want of a better word, isn't doing very much, even if it ends up being 2x650 by 150 mm, that's going to take some force to break. I recently built an elevated deck, and sourcing straight 6x6150 by 150 mm columns in today's market proved impossible. We ended up laminating 3 2x650 by 150 mm together with the center one standing proud to accept the pair of cross beams. Bolted up nice and solid. Answer from user Handyman at Stack Exchange.